Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ripl social media marketing app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Ripl is a social media marketing app designed to help businesses, entrepreneurs, and content creators easily design and share engaging posts, videos, and ads. The app provides a wide variety of customizable templates, stock images, and animations, along with scheduling tools for posting directly to multiple social media platforms. It also includes analytics features to track engagement and performance, making it a convenient all-in-one tool for managing online presence. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Ripl's simple interface and ease of use, allowing even beginners to create professional-looking marketing content quickly. The built-in templates save time, while the scheduling feature helps maintain a consistent posting routine. Its integration with major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn adds to its appeal for businesses managing multiple accounts. However, some users note that Ripl's customization options can be somewhat limited compared to advanced design software, and its template designs may feel repetitive over time. While there is a free version, access to premium templates, advanced features, and expanded scheduling options requires a subscription, which may be costly for occasional users. Additionally, video export quality may vary depending on the plan chosen. In summary, the Ripl app may be worth using if you're looking for an easy-to-use, time-saving tool to create and schedule social media content without advanced design skills. However, if you need highly customized designs, extensive creative control, or want a completely free solution, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.